Hello, my name is Ernesto. I'm a second-year professional student at the College of Pharmacy here at Purdue University, and I will be answering the top 25 most Googled questions about Purdue Pharmacy and beyond. Is Purdue a good pharmacy school? I believe it is. I believe Purdue provides the resources needed for me to succeed, and I'm very grateful for that. How long is Purdue's pharmacy program? Purdue's pharmacy program it's 2 years of undergraduate and then you apply to professional school, so then that's 4 years for a total of 6 years. Is pharmacy school considered graduate school? Here at Purdue University it's not, it's considered a professional school. Should I join the pharmacy learning community? I personally don't have any experience in this. My friends say this was very helpful. It's great to get involved, especially that first year. That way you can meet new friends, and you guys are all going through the same struggle in pharmacy school. Does Purdue have a pharmacy on site? Purdue does. So the Purdue University Pharmacy, or it's also called abbreviated here as PUP, but we do, and it's inside the pharmacy school. What are the top 10 pharmacy schools? Doesn't matter, Purdue's in the top 10. Will pharmacists be in demand in the future? I believe yes, I believe they will be. I think their role will look different than what it does right now, but I definitely believe they will be in demand in the future. How many pharmacy schools are in Indiana? A total of 3, Purdue being the best one. How do I apply to pharmacy school at Purdue? At Purdue, it's usually always starts your senior year of high school. There's like, I don't know, when you're going through that application, I'm sure I think there's a little box, if I can recall back, that you just say you want to be part of the College of Pharmacy, and that gets you sort of into the undergraduate program, and then after that, you apply again through a more strenuous process into the professional school. How much does pharmacy school cost? At Purdue, Purdue's mission is to keep your education affordable and attainable. So to be in the professional program at Purdue, it's about $11,000 per semester. Is pharmacy school worth the cost? I believe it is. I think you can't put a price on education, so it definitely is. What is the hardest class in pharmacy school? Pharmacotherapy or therapeutics is definitely like the meat and potatoes of pharmacy school, so there's a lot to learn there. What is the best course to take in pharmacy school? I believe the best course is to take those courses that teach topics that interest you. What are the subjects in PharmD classes? I don't know if there's really a whole lot of subjects. It seems that all the classes are integrated, so what you learn in one class may be applied in a different class, so it's sort of just all integrated together. Is pharmacy school easy? It is definitely not. You definitely have to work for it. Are pharmacists happy? I think that just depends on who you are. It depends on your attitude towards life. Is being a pharmacist stressful? It can be, definitely. Depending on the setting, it can definitely be stressful at times. What are the different types of pharmacy jobs? There's a lot of them. You can work in a retail setting, in a hospital setting, in an ambulatory setting, nuclear pharmacy, veterinary pharmacy. You could work in sort of a managed care area. There's a lot. There's definitely many places that pharmacists are needed. What is a pharmacist's salary? It just sort of depends what setting you go into. I would say somewhere between $80,000 and $120,000 starting salary. Can a pharmacist be called a doctor? Yes. So here at Purdue, you earn a PharmD, which definitely gives you that. It's a doctor of pharmacy, so you definitely are called doctor and then your last name. Do pharmacists have a residency? Yes, they definitely do. And it also depends on what setting you're going into, whether or not you would need a residency for your job. Can pharmacists prescribe medicine? Some can. Those that work in the sort of collateral practice agreement, that sort of work with hand in hand with a physician can. Not all pharmacists can, though. can you work in a pharmacy without a degree? As a pharmacist, no. As like a pharmacy technician or intern, yes. How many hours does a pharmacist work in a week? I would say it also depends. I would say between 40 and 45 is a good estimate. I hope you learned a little bit about Purdue Pharmacy, and I'm excited to see you here in the fall.